Want to show your followers on your Facebook profile? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily show all of your follower numbers on your Facebook profile. Well, so now to do that, open up the Facebook app from Android or iPhone and then go and tap on this three dot line in the top right and then go to the settings option. Now once you're here inside your Facebook settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit and under the audience and visibility, go and tap on followers and public content. And once you tap on this, you'll get to see the first option, who can follow me. If you tap on this, you'll get to see the only friend option is enabled. So all you have to do, just need the public option. So you won't get the public option until you turn your account to your professional account. So you just need to get back from here, and here you'll get to see it's saying that try the professional mode. You just need to go and tap on try professional mode, or you can manually enable or turn your account to a professional mode. Go and tap on turn on here, and this will take a little time. You just need to follow some of this step to enable this. Go ahead and tap on next. Make sure to select the default audience to the public and then go and tap on next. Now go and tap on confirm. Go through the process. Now go and tap on this, skip the last step. Now just go and tap on go to professional dashboard. Now once you're done, you're pretty much good to go. You just need to get back to the main settings. So just need to refresh the page and then go to the settings once again. And inside the settings, go to the same place to the followers and public content. Now if you go to the who can follow me, he'll get to see it selected with the public. It's automatically. Go and tap on save. From now, your followers number will be showing up on your Facebook profile. Hope you find it to be helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.